My God, Murray! I'm so glad you're in charge. You see, I need to get in there, so if you'll excuse me.
Sorry, boy. I'm not that stupid.
You sure?
I'm afraid this is not your lucky day. We just can't let any random guy off the street in here.
Damn it! I'm not just anyone, I'm your friend Randal. What the hell happened to you? You used to be so cool.
Well,
Murray, come on. We can't just ignore what happened in that dank underground room. There was something there. Something more than just words. You even pushed your nightstick up against me. But now we need to act like that never happened, okay? We have to move on.
That dank underground room was my beloved office, you sicko. And I'm starting to think you're to blame for its total destruction.
That offends me, Murray. I thought there was this connection between you and me, but now I see you were just leading me on the whole time.
I only have a connection with my barbecue, a cold soda, and a handful of German wieners.
That thing about the wieners?
What? No, I meant...
Yeah, okay. German wieners. I get it, Murray. Look, I'm not judging.
Get lost!
But what about your words, Murray? A few hours ago you wanted to know everything about me, and now suddenly you're not interested anymore? What's wrong with you?
I was just filling in your police report. I needed to know all your details.
Jesus Christ, that's the lamest excuse ever. 15-year-old girl could flirt better than you. You know what? I'll try reverse psychology. I don't want to get in there, Murray. Don't you dare try letting me in there. I don't want to go.
You almost got me, boy. Pity you said you were gonna try reverse psychology.
Ah, crap. I was actually talking to my homie behind the fourth wall.
Just ignore that wall and get out of my sight.
Come on, Officer Murray. I have a close friend in there and he's in trouble. And you know what? You're not the heartless, unscrupulous type of cop. Why don't you just keep this little wad of money and just step aside?
You're only capable of showing me respect when you're trying to bribe me. You're pathetic, Randal Hicks.
I knew you knew my whole name. I saw a little spark in the eyes the first time I said it.
The first time you said your name was Lee Harvey Oswald.
Okay, but you made the same face.
I can't waste any more time with you, boy.
Are you breaking up with me?
We've got a serious situation inside, boy. It's no laughing matter. So do the law a favor and go home.
Okay. I'm about to get half serious here and ask you what's going on.
I can't give you details, but as far as I know, the incident occurred at Matthew Griffin's apartment.
That's him! That's my friend Matt. What the hell happened?
I don't quite know, but I can only allow people that are really close to him in, like a relative.
Well, I'm his best friend. I mean, his girlfriend just called me and told me to come.
I don't know, boy. You hurt my feelings before, you know. And taking into account all the relevant facts, I really can't trust you, so no, you can't go in. I don't believe you. Get the hell out of here.
Murray, like that great wise Austrian man said, I'll be back. Thinking about that Austrian muscle man turned you on a bit, didn't it, Murray? Come on, look at you.
Get the hell out of here. Beat it, scram. That's an order. I don't ever want to see your face again.
Okay, fine. God damn it. If only there was a phone in my inventory I could call Sally. But no, it's just a narrative resource, so it only rings when the wheel of fate decides so. This sucks. I can only receive phone calls in this stupid game. Well, get used to it, Randal. Although it doesn't really matter. I don't even have any credit anyway. I haven't topped up in years. I guess I just like to blame all my problems on video games. I need to find a way to sneak in. And, why am I talking to that fourth wall punk again? Get out! Go away! You're ruining my life! Although, since they've been here, I've come into an absurd amount of money. What the hell? My life now has all this adventure in it, but that's probably because I lost my job. Money helps dealing with the pain, though. Hey, wait! Okay, I'll give you another chance, but just don't blow it this time. I know Murray is all about hot dogs, but I don't want to do that. I don't owe him anything. Yeah, right. It's mine. I earned it. Nobody wants a rotten lemon. Nobody wants a rotten lemon. I already did my good deed for the day. Besides, I don't think he's gonna give me anything else. There's nothing in there for me. I don't think slapping his face will be of any help. I don't think that will work. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. I don't think so. It's mine. I earned it. It's mine. I earned it. I think I've had enough of that guy's secondhand philosophy for today. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Come here, boy. Come on. Come to Daddy. Nah, he's not paying me any attention. I don't think so. I can't use the razor with that. I don't think so. Nobody wants a rotten lemon. Nobody wants a rotten lemon. You know, I usually try to avoid total strangers. I don't think that will work. Ah, shoot. Now the line's busy. Oh, out of service. Victory is mine. Now I just hope I never have to deal with her again. You know, I tend to avoid total strangers. What? No way. I don't know her. Hey, Mr. Emerson, I think we should have a word about the radio incident. Was it really necessary to throw it at my head?
Get the hell out of here! Get out! And don't you ever come back!
All right, easy. Yeah, right. I'm not thirsty. I don't think that's gonna work. I think I need something a little more aggressive than this hammer to change this wire shape. Nah, nobody'd want it. Nah, I wouldn't know what to say. Yeah, that would be great, but I got no use for that. The money stays with me. Man, it would be impossible to lift that manhole cover if there wasn't that small hole in the center. Really? That thing looks damn heavy. I think I'll pass. No way. The extendable duct is for serious business only. I'm not gonna stick any part of my body in that hole. I don't think that's gonna work. No way. The extendable duct is for serious business only. That makes no sense. Who knows what kind of dangers lurk down in the sewer? Killer crocodiles, mutant turtles? I guess we'll never know. No. Dr. Connors, are you there? As Mr. Nimoy would say, my work here is done. That makes no sense.